NFPA 70B training. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex North American electrical safety codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course examines the 2023 NFPA 70B standard, focusing on recommended best practices for testing electrical systems in industrial, commercial, and institutional facilities. What you'll learn? Students will learn how to plan and implement cost-effective maintenance programs, conduct inspections and testing, follow documentation standards, reduce risk, and apply updates from the latest NFPA 70B edition. The course also covers troubleshooting techniques and equipment testing methods. This course delivers practical insights through real-world case studies, problem-solving workshops, and best practice examples that can be applied immediately on the job. Who should attend? This course is designed for electrical maintenance professionals, electrical engineers, technicians, facility managers, supervisors, plant electricians, and compliance officers responsible for electrical system reliability. This course comes with an NFPA 70B training certificate, 1.2 CU credits, 12 professional development hours, 100-page electrical maintenance handbook, and a $100 coupon toward future EFTI training. Boost reliability and safety across your facility. Enroll today in EFTI's NFPA 70B training and put the latest electrical maintenance standards to work for you.